cool moist air moves over a warmer surface and becomes heated. Warmed moist air near the Earth's surface rises rapidly. As the air in this updraft cools, water vapor condenses into water droplets and forms a cloud. The cloud's top extends above the freezing level. So the upper portion of the cloud is composed of tiny ice crystals. Within the cloud, the rising and falling air currents cause electrical charges to build. The charge results from the collision of the cloud's rising water droplets against heavier falling pieces of ice. The negatively charged particles fall to the bottom of the cloud, and most of the positively charged particles rise to the top. Eventually, the water droplets and ice crystals become too large to be suspended by updrafts. As raindrops and ice crystals fall through the cloud, they drag some of the air in the cloud downward, producing downdrafts. When downdrafts strike the ground, they spread out in all directions, producing the gusts of cool wind people feel just before the start of rain. A stepped leader of negative charges moves downward in a series of steps. As it nears the ground, a positively charged leader travels up from such objects as trees and buildings. The two leaders generally meet about 165 feet above the ground. Negatively charged particles then rush from the cloud to the ground along the path created by the leaders. It is not very bright. As the leader stroke nears the ground, it induces an opposite charge. So positively charged particles from the ground rush upward along the same path. This upward motion of the current is the return stroke. It produces the bright light that people notice as a flash of lightning.